This is a 13.5-pound bag of baking soda, sodium bicarbonate. I got it for the pool, but what I've learned is our alkalinity is too high right now. And last time I went to the pool store and spent 2 or 3 times more to get an alkalinity booster, and yet all it really was sodium bicarbonate. So this time I've gotten smarter. I'm just getting a big bag of this. So this is 13.5 pounds. According to there's some pH level instructions here, and then there's some alkalinity. I believe we were at like 50, so we need somewhere between 6 and 9 pounds. This is 13.5 pounds. I'm gonna dump half the bag, and then I'll test it in a few days. It's always easier to add more later. This baking soda, I'm learning, is so good for so many things. Obviously on here, you can brush your teeth with it, that sort of thing, but a lot of the healthier living channels that I listen to have been washing their clothes in baking soda and vinegar, that sort of thing. So now, since I have this big old bag, I'm gonna try that as well. But I got it for the pool, so about half the bag goes in at about 1/3 or half the cost of the old stuff that I got. So there you go. All right, maybe a little bit more. All right, so that'll fix my alkalinity problem at a whole lot better price. Plus it's got some other features. Hope that helps. Don't pay the extra for the alkalinity booster.